Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about the job which help you to travel along with getting salary. So this video is all about who want to travel the world along with their salary to earn money. So let's start this video about my profession, that is merchant navy. Since in merchant navy the ships travel from one country to another country, so you will get chance enough opportunity to travel around the world and visit the different cities. Since ship trading from one city to another city for trading the cargo, since I have experienced 1 year of sailing, so I have visited more than 10 to 15 countries. So you will get enough chance to visit one country to another country. So merchant navy is also one of the best job who loves to travel. Another job is the flight attendant. Flight attendant is also one of the best job for to traveling the world. As you know, in flight attendant you will get enough chance to visit different city and on a stunning aircraft with a good income. So you can travel one country to another country as being a flight attendant. So this one is also one of the best job for travel who loves travel and to get money along with the traveling. Another job for the travel level is the foreign service officer. Being a foreign service officer, you will get enough chance to travel. If you love your own country as much as you love to travel the other country, you can choose as a foreign service officer. Just like diplomats, these people can travel the globe and you will get enough chance to visit different countries. So this job is also one of the best job who loves to travel. So you can choose the foreign service officer who loves to travel. Tour guide is also one of the best job for the travel lovers. As a tour guide, you can travel the world and share your passion with the other travelers on vacation. You need to able to manage large groups of people, and local knowledge is essential to be a good professional tour guide. Since being a tour guide, you have to manage large groups of people and share your experience and knowledge of the historical background of that place. So tour guide is also one of the best job for the traveler. Another job who loves to travel is being a travel blogger. Travel blogger is one of the best job to travel the world. Since in travel blogger you are independent, you can travel wherever you like to travel. You can write the website of that place, and you can share your experience of that destination. So and you can also make video of that famous destination wherever you want to visit. So travel blogger is also one of the best job who loves to travel, and you can share your all experience of the traveling to the others viewers who like to travel. So this job is also one of the best job who loves to travel as being a travel blogger. Another job for who loves to travel the different country is English teacher. Since English is the most speaking language in the world, so there are many developing countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, and small Bhutan, small country which is developing. They need some good English teachers. So that country hires some good English teachers. So with that profession also you can travel different countries. So being an English teacher is also one of the best job who loves to travel different countries, and you will get chance to travel different countries. And another job is for the travel lover adventures and a sport instructor. Since many people want to learn like paragliding and scuba diving, so in that condition the country agent hire the one instructor who will get chance to travel the different country